Hi there, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this easy granny square mini purse. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, to start this project, you're obviously gonna need some yarn. I am using this cotton yarn from Crochet. This is my main color, but for the center color, I'm gonna be using a lot of scrap yarn, so I'm not gonna bring all the colors here on screen. I'm gonna do my first one with this color, and to start off, and by the way, I'm using a 5.0 millimeter hook, and this cotton yarn is medium worsted. So to start, we're gonna do a magic ring. Chain 2, two more double crochets. That chain 2 counts as a double crochet. Okay, chain 2, that is a corner, 3 more double crochets. In case you are a beginner, a double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, go through, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and again yarn over and go through 2 loops again, and that is a double crochet. So you're gonna do 3 double crochets on each side, 2 chains, until you obviously have 4 sides. Close that magic ring, pull it tight, do a slip stitch right here. Okay, chain 1 and cut off your yarn, pull up. Okay, that is the center of our granny square. Now I'm gonna attach the yarn with my main color. So grab the yarn, pull through, you're going to chain 2, that counts, so double crochet again, 2 more in that same corner, chain 2, 3 more in that same corner, 3 more double crochets. That is the first corner of that second round. 3 more double crochets on the other corner. Chain 2. 3 more double crochets. So as you can see, this is the pattern forming. 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets on each corner, and then you are finished with this little square. So I'm gonna meet you when I finish all the squares I need for this little purse. Okay, I have finished all of my 18 squares. Right now I have arranged them like I wanted, the colors like this. I don't want to be colors repeating on the same side. It's gonna be 9 on one side and 9 on the other, and I'm gonna be doing some crochet along this side. So you're gonna have a long square for a moment, a rectangle I mean. So I'm gonna start with these two. Grab my main color. So I'm gonna insert the hook on each corner. Pass it through, chain one, and do a single crochet right there. And for the next single crochets, you're just gonna grab the loop that is closest to you on this side and both of the loops on this side. So grab that loop, grab both loops on the other side, pull through and close that single crochet. Okay, again, grab the loop that is closest to you on the top, both of the loops on the other side, and close that single crochet. Again, one loop on the other side, both loops on the other side, and so on. Okay, on the corners, do a single crochet as well. It's looking like that. Grab the next colors. Insert the hook on this side and from the bottom on this side. I'm sorry, from the top on this side. I got confused. Pull through. And close that single crochet. And again, start doing single crochets, grabbing the loop at the top on the side and both loops on this side. So as you can see, this is gonna be how we are going to do this long strip. Let me put them here so you can see. I'm going to continue doing single crochets until I reach the end, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this side until I reach the other end. Then I'm going to do it sideways, and for the last part I'm going to do it on the side, and then that long rectangle it's gonna fold and turn into a small purse. So I'll meet you when I get to that part. I think this part is pretty straightforward. Keep doing single crochets on this line and then single crochets on this line, and you're gonna have the rectangle. And I'll meet you when I do the side part and the bottom part. Okay, I have finished doing my single crochets along here and on the sides. Okay, not on here because this is the part I'm folding it. And now I'm doing the single crochets on the side. Attach your yarn, chain 1, single crochet in that same stitch, and like before, start grabbing the loop that is closest to you. Okay, and both loops on the other side, and do a single crochet. So again, one loop on the other side, both loops on this side. Okay, so I'm gonna continue doing this until I reach my other side. This is basically the same as when I did the insides. So I'll check back in when I do this border at the top, just to add a little detail. Okay, I have finished the sides and the bottom. It's looking like this. On the inside, I already tucked in the loose ends. You can do this before doing the sides or at the end, however you prefer. I just did them before, just so I don't have to turn it inside out. So I'm gonna chain 1 and I'm gonna do 25 single crochets on each side, so on this side and on the other side. Be careful not to crochet them together, so just grab one side. I'm gonna start in that corner. So just keep doing single crochets along the edge until you reach 25 this side and 25 the other side. So I'll meet you when I finish this round. Okay, I have finished the border of single crochets. I have done 2 rounds. Once I finished the other side, I chain 1, turn around, and now I'm on this side, single crocheting from the inside. So I'm gonna do a slip stitch on my first single crochet from this round, which is right here. Make sure to grab both loops. There we go. So yarn over, pull up the loop and pull it through the loop on your hook. So chain 1, turn it around, and now we're gonna do semicircles. So I'm gonna start making double crochets on the 3rd single crochet from my hook. So 1, 2, 3, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up the yarn over, go through 2 loops, and again through 2 loops. You're gonna do that 5 times in that same stitch. Okay, and now you're gonna slip stitch in the 3rd again. 1, 2, 3. And again, 5 double crochets from the 3rd. 1, 2, 3. So that is pretty much it for this border. You're gonna keep doing that, doing double crochets, 5 double crochets from the 3rd stitch, and then slip stitch from the 3rd stitch you're doing the double crochets from, and do the same on the other side until you reach this side. And that is it for the border. I'll meet you when I finish this round. Okay, I have finished my border. It's looking like this. It's pretty cute. On the sides I did 2 slip stitches just so the semicircle wouldn't end up here and it would like bend or look weird. So right there, that's where I'm going to begin my strap. So I'm gonna touch my yarn once again. Single crochet in that same stitch, single crochet in the next, chain 1, single crochet and single crochet again, chain 1. And I think you can see this is pretty much it for the strap. I prefer doing this than doing a long chain and then counting, and then maybe it's not the length I want. And this way I can just measure it against myself as I reach my desired length. Okay, I have finished my strap. As you can see, I did a slip stitch on this side and attach it to my strap and then to the purse, and did a second slip stitch, and there you have it. The strap, I don't have an exact measurement. I just measured it against my body and it lays exactly on my hips, so you are welcome to do it longer or shorter. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed making this granny square mini purse. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.